Today we're going to be working on giving a real world context, right, and inequality. And that's why our problems here are about temperature and community service. And then down here we're going to do some compound inequalities, which means an inequality with two symbols. So when you're done writing the standard, read the situation. Try to figure out how to write it with a variable and a symbol. So does anybody think they might be able to come to the board and write an answer for letter A? You must use one of these symbols. Extra credit. Does anybody think they could do letter B for an extra credit point?
Oh, I could do. I could do B.
That's what the volunteer already thinking. Okay, so it reads the temperature yesterday was between 86 degrees and 91 degrees Fahrenheit. There's a key word here, and when your situation requires the word and, it's called a compound inequality. You're having to compound two ideas together at once. Okay, now this is true. The temperature had to be higher than 86. It also had to be lower than 91. So to bring those two things together, you can actually write it as one inequality with two symbols. I'm going to put T in the middle. And I'm going to say it's lower than or equal to 91. And then I'm going to say it's also higher than or equal to 86. So everybody underneath what you wrote, write it this way. This is a compound inequality. This shows you a range of temperatures. Our temperatures fall in between 86 and 91. So this is what we're moving to today. One inequality with two symbols. Are you ready for B roll or should I take another round? What are you still on it? You want to do it or not? Learner?
Wait, I want to do it.
Well, Learner is on it. James, you don't want to do it, Learner? All right, James, you're up. Alright, so David has less than 70. You wrote that correctly. David, less than 70 hours. Nick has more than 80. More than 85. Nick is greater than or equal to 85. Now, to write this as a compound, this would be considered an or compound inequality. The word and wasn't used. The word or wasn't used either, but it's implied. And I'm going to change it a little bit, and I'm going to use H for hours. And I'm going to say that the hours are less than 70, and that's referring to what David had accomplished. Or the hours are more than 85, and that's what Nick had accomplished. Okay. So compound inequalities, if the word and is used, will somehow show up in between two things like this. But sometimes the things are unrelated or they're opposite. Like if I were to view this on a number line, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, less than 70 would be pointing less than, and greater than 85 would be going higher than. If they're going in opposite directions on the same number line, I would put or in the middle. This line, however, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. This one has a closed dot, and the temperature is higher than 86. A closed dot, the temperature is lower than 81. This one meets in the middle. And this one goes opposite. So your new section today, chapter 2.5, the arrows will either meet in the middle or they'll go opposite. And there'll be some really weird ones to kind of go further than that. All right, you guys, go ahead and log into Big Ideas Math. Yeah. We're gonna start with the teacher-led one. Alright, as you're logging in, you can write this note underneath your bar. It's a very short note, it's not a lot to write. But it kind of summarizes what I was just talking about. Given words, and you're asked to write the symbols.
There's one right here.
Thank you.
I mean, it's the back is broken. I think I mean, someone broke it. Look.
They're crazy. Like that. It doesn't matter. They just scan it. It doesn't affect the operation at all. Alright, so when you get into Big Ideas Math, in the meantime, you're writing this down on your board. There's two things we're gonna do. There's a class-led one where I'm gonna do the problems with you. You should get 100% on it. And there's an independent one where your goal is to get higher than a 70. So we're gonna do chapter 2.5, teacher-led first.
Okay. I'm having calls with my
Not
phone.
equal to, because they said less than, but it didn't say or equal to. Use that over circle. So for this symbol or this symbol, but this symbol and this one. Everybody able to go to Big Ideas Math and find the assignment? We're gonna do the teacher-led one first. Do the teacher-led one first. You can work through it, but I'm gonna go through it too.
I'm having calls with my phone. Oh, $70. This is like third view. Second one. Hey, you can blow the chair.
Alright. You think you can make me a little more different?
I mean, I'm being very serious. Yeah, okay, that, right? Really face them. I'm not very good. What are you talking about? You look like a albino gorilla. Yeah, that's what you is. A dirty gorilla. He's trying to talk smack about me.
Okay, can we get started?
Yes, ma'am.
I know Katie's so we're gonna get like, Aaron, is yours letter? You're in Big Ideas?
Oh, I'm so confused. Are you talking about the drugs? Oh, yeah, there you go. That's what. Still bird. You said the soap. You said the soap, not the oh.
You guys go ahead and make your first question.
Dish soap, not the. Yeah. Meal. She does it there. You're the smartest person I met. Hi.
No, you're going to big ideas math. Teacher led first.
This I cannot go back.
Number one.
Number what?
Open up the teacher-led problem, teacher-led assignment, and we'll do number one. Most of you should try doing it on your own. Read the question and try it on your own.
This I cannot go
I
back.
will go over the answer in a moment. Okay. Thanks for letting me know.
Hi, I'm David. Now in this problem, they give us a sentence that reads, a number p is less than 6 and greater than 2. And they're asking us to turn this sentence.
Okay, because this is number one, if yours isn't loaded, you need to write it down, right? So this is your number one, correct? A number p is less than 6. Is this everybody's number one right now? Yeah. Unfortunately, every desk has a student assigned to it. That's no. Not move. I could try dimming the lights, but that's what I'll try. But honestly, these are kind of the worst desks. You've kind of lost that preferential seating privilege.
Sentence into
Okay, everyone silent.
So in order to do that, let's start from the beginning. A number p. Well, they tell us what variable they want us to use, p. And meanwhile, they're saying that p is less than 6. So we draw the less than symbol, and then we draw 6. P is less than 6. But it's also telling us that it's also greater than 2. So p is greater than 2. That means that 2 is less than p. Because if something is greater than this, well then that means that this has to be less than that. So p would also have to be greater than 2, or 2 is less than p. In other words, what they're trying to say is that p is a number between 2 and 6, but not including 2 and 6. That these are not equal to it, which is why we don't have the equal symbols here, but that p is simply between 2 and 6. So now we can go to graph this inequality. We can take the 2, label it here, take the 6, label it here, and then meanwhile we can draw a 0 too, just so we can show where all the numbers are in respect to each other. Now, since p is not equal to 2 or 6, we don't want to shade in the circles that represent 2 and 6, because p is not equal to 6 and p is not equal to 2. It's simply between 2 and 6. So we also need to shade in the number line between 2 and 6 to represent the idea that all of the numbers between 2 and 6 are included in this inequality. These are all solutions here, but not 2 and not 6. These are simply the left and right bounds for where the solutions are. And that is how I solve this problem.
All right, so when you have to graph in the software, you have to click this one. And it takes a couple of tries. You want to click the one with open circles. And they should be right at 2 and right at 6. And sometimes it takes more. You have unlimited tries. Check both your answers. You want to figure out how to type this in and how to graph it correctly. listen, learning yourself is just like learning a piano or a computer game. You have unlimited choice. Click that button until you figure out the right way to use it. What do you do? Click on the 2 and then drag it to the 6?
Yeah.
Figure it out. It shouldn't take you too long to troubleshoot that.
That's not finished. Oh.
If you want to just jump to number 2, that's fine. Okay. All right, let's head to number 2. That was number 1. All right, now notice that number 2 uses the word or and not and. So for or, like in Bower, the arrows are going separately. So we're going to have to write 2 separate ones. And the indicator that we have to write 2 separate ones is this word or. Or means we're going to separate our symbols. So n less than or equal to -7. That'll go in your first box. Or, that's actually the more important one right there, n is greater than 12. So what I'm noticing is that the first one says equal to, it's got the line, and the second one doesn't. So when I graph this, I will need one closed dot, and the other one is an open circle. So I would have to pick for this first one, I have to pick the one that looks like a closed dot arrow, and for the second one, open dot arrow. So go ahead, you have a minute right now to try to figure this out before I move on. How do you graph this or problem? You have to type in both of them, and then you have to click 2 different graphs.